Yo guys, good morning. Day 3 natin ngayon and pupunta kami ng Pattaya. So, andito kami sa terminal. Bumili muna kami ng ng pagkain namin. So, habulin namin yung 8:30 na bus papuntang Pattaya. Medyo mahaba din yung biyahe sa Pattaya, parang nasa 2 hours. Medyo na late kami, dapat 8 o'clock yung biyahe namin pero 8:30 na lang. So, ayun guys, kain muna kami and update ko na lang kayo maya-maya. Guys, nakarating na kami. Ang haba din ng biyahe, nasa almost 3 hours. Pero hindi kami dito, sa ibang place pa kami, sa Sanctuary of Truth ata yun. Kami sasakay ng bangka, pero sayang, ganda sana yung sakali yun, no? So ang haba lang ng biyahe, sakit sa sa paa, pero sobrang dito, ang ganda. Yan. Mag-grab pa pala tayo. Yan guys, punong-puno na dito ng manok. Kahit saan nasa may manok dito. Pattaya.
My heart is
kakarating namin guys dito sa Sanctuary of Truth. Yan. Baling kanina dun sa may Pattaya, nag-grab lang kami, mga parang 10 minutes lang yung biyahe. Yan. Dito na kami. Ito yung unang namin, stop namin, pupuntahan namin. Yan guys yung mga presyo, pero yung binayaran namin sa Klook is nasa 641 pesos lang. Pesos hindi 641 baht, pero dito 500 baht. Ewan kung bakit. Parang nasa almost 1,000, 900 plus. So, mas maganda kung mag-book kayo sa online. Ito guys, papasok na kami, Sanctuary of Truth. Hindi pagkakuan ito yung yung cowboy. Laro dito yung parinan ng kalabaw. Yung bokal yung bokal sa kanya kasi karera. Kasi yung kalabaw nila dito pag-away nila. Yung dami lang tubig
you're not excited, Joe. We're not going to go. It's fine. I'm not enjoying the resort here. I'm not enjoying this.
Yung ganda dun, no? Ayun, no?
Ala, ayun na ba ko? Yan na ba? Yan? Ay, narinig siya.
Sinabi nila kasi sa phone ko, you are shouting, ha? 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 Get the phone, you are shouting, ha?
Ganda, oh.
Ayun siya, hawag mo ng alin.
Where's Honor?
Sorry? What does it mean? Ay, naligwab ni Pilomel. Kala ko nandun sa likod. Are you okay? Yeah. Are you sure? You feel tired? Yeah, that is our lift, wooden lift or wooden elevator. L1 for who cannot steps, for who cannot walk at a stairway. For example, legs pain or who has a baby stolen. Okay, so if you would like to, okay, so I will contact now up here because you cannot use it by yourself. Alright, so L1, at that size L1, that is the full faces or Brahma face. Okay, Brahma face is.
Ay.
Alright, welcome to inside the museum. First station are inside the museum. Okay, let's get inside the first. Okay, let's get inside the first one. Welcome to inside the museum. Alright, is ready, ready? Dad na tayo. Use air for breath and we breathe for our life. And the last one, fire. Fire is represented through the breath of fire. It's meaning the temperature in our body, energy and emotion. These four elements made us all the same. Therefore, everyone deserves the same treatment and respect. Because we are human beings, we are equal. You think so?
这些争议，它也让我们减少个人主义，并愿意接受事实，即每个人都是平等的。因此，我们应该平等地对待每个人，这是第一个大你申请者。
Alright, From birth to death, no matter how rich or poor we are, life depends on the nature. Without nature, we cannot survive because the nature creates our life. Let me start with the first nature. That is the parents. Okay? The parents. That is the structure of the parents. Parents is symbolized of birth, beginning of human life, or of humans born from parents. Next one, look up at the top of this museum, that is ceiling. That is the universe. The universe who give us our note, okay? Symbol of where we live together. Where we live together, right? The universe. And right now, look down this woman. This is sculpture of Sametorni in Thai name, or Mother of Earth, who give us food, accommodation for living, medicine, and clothes. And behind me, the sun. The sun gives us day, night, light, and energy. And at the corner, the moon brings the veil of the sea. And the last one, star, compared to 7 days. Sunday is the sun, Monday is the moon, Tuesday is Mars with Mercury, Thursday is Jupiter, Friday is Venus, and Saturn is Saturday. It reflects uniqueness, personality of each people who was born on each day. And if you would like to know what is your personality, you can come back here again after the work, okay? And check at the below what is the meaning of who was born. Right? What's right? One over here. At the center of this museum right here is the Great Pavilion. It's where the lyrics of the Buddha is represent the third truth of life. We are born to die. No one can escape the death. You will see inside the throne with no decoration. Means that life is emptiness. When we born, we came with nothing. No matter how much we have the treasure, when we die, we cannot take anything with us. Even the Buddha cannot escape from death. But only one thing that we can left to the world is what we create badness and goodness. And what the Buddha left to the world is philosophy of life to follow. So, this fact help us grow life consciousness, reduce passion, and find the truth own happiness. Okay? If you would like to take pictures up there or take a look at anything over there, you can go up there. But please remove your shoe first for respect the Buddha. Okay? After the tour, you can come back here again. Alright? Later on. Alright? Right now, let's go to number 4. Okay, have a sister, have a sister. If you're tired, make yourself comfortable. Make yourself comfortable. Alright, that one right here, this way. Are you still okay? Yeah. Are you still alive? Yes. I hope you. No.
Power.
CPR right now. Alright, that one is way over here. Alright. So right now, we are in number 4. Exactly, number 4. Thank you, Jackson. Alright, we're in number 4, the purpose of life. When we do, we cannot escape from that. It helps us to think about how our life must proceed. And in this book, will show us the great example who left good things to the world. And their goodness still impacting our life. Let me start with the first group of them. The first picture, feeling, emotion, like grief, anger, and passion. Next one, Lao Tzu. Lao Tzu is an Chinese philosopher and the founder of Taoism. Who is known Yin Yang, Yin Yang.
Hindi, nandun yata siya.
Yin Yang.
Nandun siya.
It's like two buttons and inside that it has a black and white. It's present good and bad. Nature balance. If we can keep balancing for our living, we can discover happiness. Alright, next one. And this is of Confucius. Kongzi is an ancient Chinese philosopher and politician who is more of loving other, respect for elders, humanity, and self-discipline. And the golden rule of Kongzi is what you do not wish for yourself, do not do it to others. Okay, so everyone, overall this rule is tell us about the great example who left good things to the world from China. And in Thailand, we also have the good example who left good things to the world too. Let me show to you everyone. Okay, let's go to the next part.
老子代表的是能与大自然和谐相处，
Nauna sila, nauna
使
sila.
大自然能保持平衡，而且要有调和。老子认为，许多人为了保持和侵占自然，而当自然被破坏时，他们也很想要。
Have you ever seen it before? Yeah? Yeah, you heard before? This is the king, okay, the king of Thailand, Bhumipol Adulyadej is his name. Right now, the king Ramathem, okay, and the king Ramathem passed away for about 10 years ago. Okay? And the king Ramathem is the father of the king Ramathem. Okay? Bhumipol Adulyadej is his name. He sacrificed all of his life to improve our quality of life. His Majesty has initiated thousands development projects for improving our and the first picture. If we associate with bad people, they will lead us to the bad things. And the second picture. If we associate with good people, they will lead us to the good things too. Okay? And at the picture, that is the example of doing the bad thing and doing the good thing. So let's move to the next column again. On this way. Okay, what are we going to say? So the next column. Here is the story of respect those who deserve it, not those who demand it. So you can see people pay respect for elders who are kind and generous, in that they deserve respect from other people. And over there, Ellen. Surround ourselves with people empowered to become better. So you can see people with their smiling face means that they stay in a nice and healthy society. If we stay in a nice and healthy society too, we will find happiness. Another one at the top over there, what is it? Yeah, Ganesha is Hindu god. Okay, as I told you, this museum is inspired by many nationalities. Okay, for example, at the Chinese room, it's from China. And right here, okay, in each part, that is Hindu god, okay, from India. Alright, so let's be, yeah. Alright, so everyone, let's be move to the next part, okay, the next column, this way. Exactly. Almost the sculpture here is from Hindu. Okay, so Hindu god. Yeah. Alright, so on the next column. Think first how much we have before spending the money or self-sufficiency. Okay, so you can see people moving fruits and vegetables by themselves instead of by them. It helps us to reduce expenses. And this is the one philosophy of the King Ramanai. And the last column. Learning is the endless journey. Learning is the treasure. Yeah. So you can see this man reading a book. This is symbol of the great learner. Right now, we already understand about the life purpose in which we want to be in the future. I have a question. Can we live alone in the world? Okay, this is society full of disrespect. Okay, disrespect. So you can see the rich people saying bad words to the poor, not only behind back, but also in front of the face. And the opposite side, society full of respect. Okay, society full of respect. So you can see the rich and poor people can be nice with each other because they respect each other. Alright, the next pair. Society full of discrimination. So you can see conflict between people because they have different attitude and opinions. And the opposite side, society full of understanding. Okay? So for example, everyone, this couple, they come from different country, nationalities and culture, but they can be friends. They can have a relationship together because they understand about the different ways, different things, and the most important is they understand each other. Okay. Now on, let's move to the next one. Over here, the next here is society full of inequity. Society full of inequity. So you can see two different bridges. One is very beautiful and strong. It's built for rich people. And another one, it's made from wood, bamboo. It's built for poor people. And the opposite side, society full of justice. So you can see this man giving his property to his children equally. Okay, that is society, justice society. Yeah, alright. Next one, next one. Next pair. Over here, the next pair. Outside, society full of slaves. Society full of slaves. Okay, so you can see conflict between people again. Okay, so this is the situation, war crashing. And crashing they both, but without forgiveness and apologize. And the opposite side, society full of apology and forgiveness. In the same situation, but right now they help each other and they say apologize, they say sorry to each other. Okay? And in Thai word, do you know what is the Thai word for say sorry? Sorry, what is it for say sorry in Thai word?
Sorry.
ขอโทษค่ะขอโทษครับ okay ขอโทษ that is the word for say sorry, but we use ค่ะ for the woman and ครับ for the man for show politeness. Okay ค่ะ for the woman and yeah ขอโทษค่ะขอโทษครับ yeah for the man ขอโทษครับ yeah alright and ขอบคุณ is like thank you, you see thank you, yeah alright so let's move to the next period. Yeah, we are going down to the
第18题，戒掉拖延的习惯，因为我们的生命不是有福的，我们不知道死亡的因为我们
then over here, this is society lack of appreciation. Society lack of appreciation. You can see this man hurting his supporter or his mother. And another example is the man taking so much from the nature and never giving back to the nature. And the opposite side, society full of gratitude. The picture shows people give back kindness to their supporter. Or sometimes you can say just thank you, I'm appreciated when someone do something for us. And what is the Thai word for saying thank you? ขอบคุณค่ะ ขอบคุณครับ yeah ขอบคุณค่ะ for the woman and ขอบคุณครับ for the man. Okay, and ขอโทษ what is it? I just told you. Sorry? Yeah, exactly. Right? So now on the next here, society full of dissonance. So you can see conflict between people, not being nice to each other, not friendly, and not help each other. And the opposite side, society full of harmony. Harmony. The picture shows people preparing the food in the public and building the bridge in the public is how to generate a better society. If may I ask, which society you want to live in? Good or bad? Of course, good. I'm sure every one of us here, you would like to stay in a nice society with good people. But actually, we cannot expect people around us to treat us good and care us good as well. But we can start with ourselves. You can start with yourself. We cannot change the world, but we can change ourselves, our mind. Alright? Right now, that one. You still have energy? Yes. You sure? Yes. You feel tired?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, keep going. Keep strong. Because right now, we are almost done our journey. Let's turn back and take a look at the last part of our journey over there. That is the family room. Our last part of our journey. Okay, let's move over there. Let's go. Keep going. Okay, let me stay up right here. I want to say, are you okay? Are you okay? Alright, where to say? Over here. Okay, let's go right here. Say. Alright, so say over here. Alright, that one is way over here. Alright, so everyone, here is also the exit way, okay? This is the exit way, but don't leave me right now, okay? Don't leave me right now. Alright, so everyone, this is the 7 truths of life, okay? In which we call it the family room. We all know everything starts at home with our family. And this is the metaphor of the family. They are father, mother, and children. Our first school, our first teacher, and our first friend. And the family, not only by biological, but also by heart, love. Like friend, boyfriend, girlfriends, co-workers, neighbors, or people who we want to care them like a family. Even pets. Your cats, your dogs, that's your family too, if you love it. Right, okay? So everyone, right now I would like to show you the sacrifices of our parents. Okay? We also have the sculpture of the sacrifices of our parents. Look about the ceiling, alright? So number 1, the parents give us birth. 2, taking care of us. 3, provide us education. 4, teach us to be a good people. 5, protect us from bad people or dangerous. 6, support us in a job. 7, support us in marriage life. And number 8, the last one, they ensure our life in the future will be good. Okay, the owner of the St. Scriptures Museum. Both of them are passed away already for 20 years ago. And the legacy is passed on to the next generation, their children, to continue. And I would like to share the last message of the owner to you. Humans are only dust in the universe. No matter who we are, where are we from? We are the same. Yeah, we are the same. Yeah, and don't forget to write down something for me. Thank you.
Souvenir shop, guys.
Yeah?
Ay, meron na?
Oh, meron na kaagad oh.
Bi, andun ka, Bi! Natin siya sirat ang gagawin mo.
Kuhan kasi picture kanina.
Ba't ako wala?
Ano ito?
150? 150 guys.
Ito na kunin mo.
Ito.
Yung grupo natin
Yung grupo natin, makunin nyo na lang. Ako naman ang wala dyan. Ano ba yan?
Ayan, yung grupo. Patingin yung grupo natin.
Yan guys, kakatapos lang namin kumain. Pero yung ano namin, magla-lunch dapat kami. Pero nung nandito na kami sa Nong Noch, puro merienda pala yung nandito. Kaya nag-ano lang kami, nag-cup noodles lang kami. Puro merienda, ganun. Kaya sobrang gutom pa namin. Pero tapusin lang namin to. Nasa Nong Noch na kami. Ewan ko lang kung ano yung mga nandito, pero nakita ko sa labas is ano, puro dinosaurs, ganun. May mga fruits din. So, yan guys, maganda dito. Tapos yun, dun kami kumain guys. Puro fries, ganun eh. Talagang literal na merienda. At pala, dun kami kumain dun sa may Sanctuary of Truth. Meron kasing kainan dun eh. Pasok na kami guys.
Scan your ticket on the right side. And to scan the ticket.
Yan guys, Nong Nooch Tropical Garden. Tapos dito is may mga laruan. Wow, ang ganda guys oh. Mga landscape. Mga cactus. Tapos may electric fan pa oh.
Kahit yung lugar lang mapicture, wag na doon tayo.
Dinosaur. Ganda lang ng mga ano dito guys, mga halaman. Ito, dinosaur oh. Ang ganda. Grabe. Yun yung guys, yung mga elepante. Garden in the sky. Grabe guys, ang ganda oh. Hindi ko lang kung saan ako magbibideo eh. Parehas maganda yung gilid eh. Dito yung mga elepante, yung mga sasakyan, mga tao. guys, puro ano saging yung kinakain nila dito. Baht. Yun, may sungay oh. Dinosaur Valley. Yun, ang lamig.
May rapong.
Mga souvenir shops dito guys.
那对不起对吧？
Godzilla guys, so pogi. Tsaka si King Kong. Wow. Elepante. Ayokong sumakay dyan guys, nakakatakot. Nagrenta na lang kami guys ng ganito, 200 per baht per person. 200 baht per person.
你玩什么梗啊你？
啥梗都玩。
私人梗也玩。都跟他帮背哦。
Noong unang panahon,
yelo ko.
Look, it's like a very good pronunciation, right?
Okay, you bus stop, bus stop. Bus stop station 1, you bus stop station 1. You take photo inside, you take photo of Kiss Garden and from Kiss Garden too.
Guys, picture muna kami dito. Kondo. Ito guys, puro ano, posa. Ito guys, puro ano, paso. Yun o. Pinagdugtong lang nila. Ganda ng sakyan, no?
Kanya-kanya na muna to. Sige na. Kaya na po. Maraming. One more side.
May parot, oh. Wow. Macau. Ang pangit mo.
Ala, nag-kiss sila.
T-Rex, oh. sila.
여기 안 내립니다. 내리지 마세요.
Picture.
bahay mag-isa. Masyadong ang bata niya.
Dami pa dun, oh.
Jurassic World.
Ang laki, oh.
Dito.
Saan? Diyan, diyan.
Next!
Nắm rồi.
Ay, dito ng pataas din.
Andal Gallernes.
Marlon says, smile. No!
You're one of them, the dinosaur.
What is that dinosaur sound? What's that dinosaur? I'm scared. What's that dinosaur?
That's the dinosaur.
Why is there a dinosaur sound? I'm scared. Ma? Let's go back. Let's go back.
Tabad sa'yo naman ito dinosaur.
Let's go back. I'm scared. Let's go back. I'm scared.
Rakista, oh.
Develop nila to.
What is that sound?
Okay, thank you very much, you touching back allow the garden. Tropical Garden and Resort, top 10 most beautiful garden in the world. Now number 4. 1,796 acres, 3,200 people, over 45 years. Philippine farm, your right hand. Dinosaur will live all up to about 570 dinosaurs.
There's a rare dinosaur.
On the other hand, Frank you garden run two. Open 5 years. On the right hand, country South Africa. For Paraguay, 5 million baht per month. On the other hand,
Liit ng baboy, oh.
and pick you, and coconut from Island, Coconut Island 100,000 baht per month. Ship man baht per head cook you. Pizza. On the other hand, Coconut Island, Coconut Man. On the other hand, Coconut Island. Stonehenge from England 130 Stonehenge. Thôn trong thu cơ thể điều bạc cho kiếp thành thôi. On the other your right hand, Chibatap. On the other hand, Kado tea from Japan. And Philippine Malaysian. Karapakan and Bantai Chaduk. Number 9, Thailand 9999, cool. Cow, walk. King Bumipun, number 9. On the left hand, number 5, Thailand. Oh, Thailand.
Ayan, dito na tayo. Nakita ko si Kinko.
Okay, thank you very much. You such a garden. Thank you. Kami dah suka semua.
Si ano yung predator in this?
Tapos na.
Credit for an aid.
Car Museum. Ganda guys. Ito, mga racing car oh.